Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Kia Carnival. When it comes to practicality and functionality, minivans have long been the unsung heroes of family transportation. They rarely capture the spotlight due to the SUV's dominating cool factor. Enter the 2026 Kia Carnival, a minivan that boldly blends the practicality families need with the stylish appeal they want. With SUV-inspired looks and a robust V6 engine, the Carnival is setting a new standard for family vehicles. Although the Kia Carnival only debuted in the US market in 2022, Kia has already introduced some exciting updates for the 2026 model. Exterior enhancements. The Carnival now features a revamped grille, redesigned headlamps and tail lamps, stylish new wheels, and updated lower body panels inspired by Kia's EV9 electric crossover. Interior updates. The center console has been reimagined, and the climate control panel is now conveniently mounted on the dashboard. Technology upgrades. Kia's latest infotainment system boasts an improved voice assistant capable of handling more complex tasks. Safety features. A new lane centering feature joins the adaptive cruise control system to help keep the Carnival on track during highway drives. Step inside the 2026 Kia Carnival, and you'll find a cabin that is as stylish as it is functional. Dashboard and storage. The dashboard design is sleek, with a large center console offering ample small item storage, perfect for families on the go. Infotainment excellence. Optional dual screen displays, reminiscent of Mercedes-Benz models, provide easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information. Premium comfort. The SX Prestige trim elevates luxury with leather upholstery and available VIP seats in the second row. These reclining seats feature pop-up footrests, offering unmatched comfort for long journeys. Family-friendly features. A panoramic sunroof is optional, allowing second-row passengers to enjoy fresh air and scenic views. However, it's worth noting that the VIP seats cannot be removed or stowed, which limits cargo space compared to some competitors. The 2026 Kia Carnival packs a punch under the hood. Powerful V6 engine. A 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 287 horsepower, paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. Drive options. Front-wheel drive comes standard, as all-wheel drive is not available for the Carnival. Hybrid model. For eco-conscious drivers, the Carnival Hybrid features a 242-horsepower turbocharged hybrid powertrain. Despite being a minivan, the Carnival surprises with its balanced handling, offering a smooth ride while maintaining composure through corners. The price of the 2026 Kia Carnival starts at $37,895 and goes up to $51,995 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.